My name is Kunhee Ko, and I'm a student in the Excel class at the University of Arizona. I had to make a midterm program for my class, and it goes over many of the programming topics that were in class. My program started off with an introduction. I made an introduction, and it shows like my name, my personal name, and my VBA project, and what we'll go over in the project. And it also ends in a thank you note slash enjoy note. The first part of my project was to find the high school GPA amongst different people. From this case, I have 5 courses and 5 students. Inserted into the graph is ABC, so letter grade of each of the students and each class. And then the second thing that I did was to calculate it. I made another sheet. I used the for next statements and if and else if statements to make this calculation possible. I made a coding for it and put it onto the calculate GPA button. The second part of the project was to show graphs of different percentage of students at each college with different incoming GPA ranges. The different ranges were show the percentage of students that go to the school currently and how they did in school. So an example would be clicking this button. It'll show the percentage of Harvard students. It has like a 90% of students having 3.75 to 4.0 GPA, and then U of A students, which have a variety of GPAs for incoming freshmen, and then UCLA, which is really similar to Harvard. And then from here, I made a scroll bar button, which has your GPA. You could click it to move it up or down. This is here to compare your GPA to the ones that are of the students at the different colleges. And then I made a final button that shows hide all graphs. That button will help you manage all of your graphs. It'll help with confusion between the graphs and whatnot. So these hide all graph buttons are very reliable, and they can be used for a lot of different cases. On the last part of the project, I first started off to see if you're an acceptable candidate to become a student at the University of Arizona. This is done by using the check your GPA button. It tells you to enter a GPA between 2.49 and 4.0. From here, if you put a value lower than 2, then it won't go through to the next stage, and if you put one above 4, it won't let you go through. So you have to have it between 2.49 and 4.0. If not, then it won't go on, so you would just have to click cancel. For my case, I'm going to put a GPA of 2.5. From this 2.5, I get a message box that says, thank you for the GPA of 2.5. This then will be inserted into the A2 slot. From here, it says in the dialog box, it says start with clicking check your GPA to check your GPA with UA's acceptance policy. So we did that, and then now we have to proceed with the UA engineering if your high school GPA is shown. So it was shown, so we got to go into the UA engineering. And then from here, we enter in your name, which is going to be, I'm going to put in my own name, Kunhee Ko, and then put in your high school, Highland High School. And then the high school GPA, I'm going to put 2.5 in again. And then there's multiple choices of engineering and other. I'm personally going to put in biomedical. I put it so the program where you put in other, and there's going to be an error dialog box kind of thing that shows you that you shouldn't be at the school or something close to that. So for my case, I'm going to put save and continue, and it's going to show a message box that says welcome Kunhee Ko, your high school was Highland High School, and then it says nice high school GPA, keep it up in college, good luck on your major, you're going to need it. And then when I click OK, then it's going to put it into the box right here. And then if I do the other one, let me check. I'm going to put in my name again, and then I'm going to put in the high school, Highland High School, and this time I'm going to put in a GPA of 2.0. See what's going to happen. From here, it says, in a different case, it says, welcome Kunhee Ko, and your high school was Highland, and then your GPA is too low for the college, talk to an advisor. I made it so if it's under 2.5, then this dialog shows up and it tells you to talk to your advisor. And then when I put other, it comes out with a dialog box that says why are you looking at this, just to show that this is only for engineering majors. So pretty much this is the end of my project. If you have any more questions, shoot me an email or shoot me a message on YouTube. I hope that everyone's going to have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.